Hey there, culinary enthusiasts! Today, we're going to embark on a gastronomic journey, whipping up a delicious minestrone soup that's not only healthy but also heartwarming. Minestrone is a gem of a dish that has been nourishing people for centuries. It's a melting pot of vegetables and beans, making it a vegan delight. And it's got quite the history. Did you know that it was invented in the 19th century? Now, let's get our hands dirty and start cooking. The first step involves chopping all those fresh veggies with precision and care. Next up, we'll sauté those veggies in olive oil until they soften and release their aromatic goodness. Then comes the time to add the beans and tomato puree, infusing the soup with even more flavor. Soon, we'll pour in the stock and let the simmering begin. As the soup bubbles away, we'll make sure to stir occasionally to avoid any sticking. After about half an hour or so, our minestrone will be ready. This dish is not just tasty but also boasts plenty of health benefits. It's high in fiber and low in fat, making it a superb meal for both kids and adults alike. And once it's ready, everyone around will be licking their bowls clean. So that wraps up today's cooking tutorial on how to make minestrone soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. Don't forget to hit like if you like this recipe and subscribe for more scrumptious dishes coming your way soon. Happy cooking, everyone!